Hey, it's Chris with Shields OKC Auto Direct, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Now, for everybody looking for this vehicle, what they really are looking for is the 6.1 liter V8. The vehicle has 425 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, which is why people look for the SRT8. Looking from the front, you're going to notice the front fog lights. You have xenon headlights, as well as the black striping on the hood that comes standard on this vehicle. To make our way around, the SRT8 is also going to have the 20-inch wheels. You do have the Brembo brake pads, as you can see right there. Also standard, heated outside. This is a very good looking car. Standard safety features on it. It's going to be your brake assist, as well as your stability control. And just taking a look at the Challenger, I mean, a lot of its design cues are coming from the 70-74 Challenger. So really great look to it, great lines on the vehicle. And with that, let's go ahead and we'll hop on the inside and take a look inside there. This Challenger is going to come with your keyless entry, push button start, also remote start on your key fob. We are going to have a power driver's seat, audio controls on your steering wheel. This vehicle is also going to have your MyGig navigation and music file system. You're going to notice your auxiliary import over here, as well as the USB import right above it. Heated seats on both sides of the vehicle. And also your auto dimming mirror. This Challenger also has 110,000 miles, which being a 2009, it's well below the average miles driven per year. Here's a quick look at our audio and nav system. And then looking up, you do also have a power moonroof in here. And now with a quick look at the 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT8. For more questions or information, you can visit us on the web at shieldsoksautodirect.com or give us a call at 405-600-6707.